morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well this morning, February 1st. And today in our devotional, it says blasphemy against the Holy Spirit. Exodus chapter 20, verse 7 says, "You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless who takes his name in vain." Luke chapter 12, verse 10. "Anyone who speaks against the Son of Man can be forgiven, but anyone who blasphemes the Holy Spirit will not be forgiven." James chapter 5, verse 12. "Above all, my brothers, do not swear either by heaven or by earth or by any other oath, but let your yes be yes and your no be no, so that you may not fall under condemnation." Matthew chapter 12, verses 31 and 32. "And so I tell you, every kind of sin and slander can be forgiven, but blasphemy against the Spirit will not be forgiven. Anyone who speaks a word against the Son of Man will be forgiven, but anyone who speaks against the Holy Spirit will not be forgiven, either in this age or the age to come." Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 11. "You must not misuse the name of the Lord your God. The Lord will not let you go unpunished if you misuse his name." And at the bottom it says, "Perhaps you have also wondered or struggled with the unforgivable sin against the Holy Spirit. What is this sin? To slander against the Holy Spirit means to intentionally distort the truth about the Spirit and to attribute the wonderful work that the Spirit is doing to Satan. The Spirit is the one who introduces us to Jesus. So slander against the Spirit is to stubbornly harden your heart, which means a lifelong rejection of Christ and his salvation. And that's our devotional for today. I think I'll start snapping a picture of the page that I read and posting it at the end of the video. That way you can go back and look at it if you want. If you all would like that, each day I'll post the picture of the page that I read at the end of the video. But as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm still working on Jonah for you all, trying to get a clearer understanding of these people in the Bible, just as we did the one with David a few weeks ago, months ago, however long it's been. But we're still working on Jonah, so if you enjoy them studies, please let me know. I'd like your input about it. So, and if you have any ideas of anyone else in the Bible that you would like to research further, Gideon, Esther, Ruth, if you'd like to take a deeper look in any of these people, let me know and I'll see what I can do, okay? But I love you guys, and I hope you have a very blessed day. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.